Okay, so we've got the pump all primed, and Miss Erin is waiting to get fed. What are you going to be eating for lunch, Erin?
Chicken pie.
Chicken pot pie. Okay. So before we begin the feed, we're going to flush the tube. So this gives her water intake. You do a pre and post flush, and she also will have some medication that she takes at noon. So we're going to show you how to do that. This is her tube. If you can see, so it's got a little one here. If you have a little syringe, and then the bigger syringe that goes in here, and your clamp. So when you're done feeding, you clamp, and then when you flush, you unclamp. So this goes right into her belly, as you can see. You have to keep this area dry so that it doesn't get infected, and she's doing very, very well. It's okay if I show your belly, Erin? Okay. Okay, so we're going to continue on with the flush. So we do use the bigger syringes because she needs a couple of these pre and post to give her water intake. So she's never really thirsty. She does drink by mouth. So you squeeze the top of this up so that there's no air again before you put it in. And you can see that she's going to unclamp, and you slowly push the water in. This clears the tube and gives her her water. So it keeps her well hydrated. Like I said, she doesn't get thirsty. She gets the water intake that she needs, and if she does have a dry mouth or feels that she wants some water, she has water that she'll ask for. So once that goes in, you clamp it, and I'm going to give her her medication now, which we draw up. All of her medication is crushed, and it's put in through the syringe. And once again, you go to the top, take all the air out, and we'll put this in her tube. And clamp. And we're just going to do one more water flush to make sure all that medication has gone in and to clear the tube before we start her feed. Okay, and that's it for the flushing, and now we're going to continue with her feed.